Thanks for tuning in. This is Amzer.com. And if you've got tons of old mini USB chargers and data cables, but you've got a new micro USB device, no problem. Amzer's Handy Converter mini USB connector to micro USB is just what you've been searching for. This innovative and convenient gadget lets you utilize all of your old mini USB chargers and cables with your micro USB device. Simply connect your mini USB data cable, vehicle charger, or AC charger to the Handy Converter, connect to your micro USB device, and voila, you're using your mini USB cable to charge all of your micro USB devices. The included lanyard with keyring makes it perfect for travel. Carrying it everywhere you go is safe and easy. Amzer's Handy Converter is compact, eco-friendly, cost-effective, and very affordable. So don't throw out all of your old mini USB chargers and cables. Simply convert them into micro USB chargers and cables with Amzer's Handy Converter mini USB connector to micro USB. Available now at Amzer.com and Foamy.com.